Hi everyone, welcome to YR Digital YouTube channel, Python tutorials. My name is Srinivas. In this session, I am going to discuss about Python list data structure. Python list data structure. List data structure. Okay. In this session, I will be covering the following topics. The first topic is what is list. What is list? Second one is how to create a list. How to create a list. Okay. List operations. List operations. Third one. Now the first question: what is list? What is list? Before going to discuss what is list, now first to discuss the what is variable. What is variable? And then what is array? And then next what is a list? Simple question. In any programming language, what is variable? A variable is a value. A variable, okay, a variable is a value. Is a value. The value can be changed. The value can be changed during execution of during execution. Okay. First of all, example, a is a variable in Python. A is a variable to store the value equal to 10. A is a variable. It is used to store only one value. A is a variable. It is used to store only one value. Here, A is a variable. Here, A is a variable to store only one value. Only one value. Here, what is A? A is called as a variable. Now, what is array? Now, array is a variable. It is used to store more than one value. Array is a variable. Array is a variable. It is used to store more than one value. More than one value of same data type. For example, in C language, in C++, or in Java, for example, integer a of 10. That means a is a array variable. It is used to store here. What is a? Here a is a array variable. A is a array variable. To store more than one value. More than one value of integer data type. Very clear. First of all, what is variable? A variable is a value. It can be changed during execution of the program. For example, how to declare a variable? Okay, how to declare a variable? A equal to 10. This is a declaration and initialized. So here A is a variable to store only one value or any type, either integer type or float type or string type or boolean type or complex type. And what is array? Array is a variable. It is used to store more than one value of same data type. Here is very important. Integer a of 10. That means a is an array variable to store the more than one type of integer type. For example, like this. Okay. So here a is a array. A of 0, A of 1, A of 2, A of 3, A of 4, A of 0 index 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 9. The index number is up to the last index number is 9. Okay, clear all of you. Now the A is array variable. It is used to store more than one value of same type. For example, here integer x of 5. Here is a x. X is a array variable. X is a array variable. It is used to store 5 integers. Okay, this is called as a x. The first element, second element, third element, fourth one. So this is the index number 0, index number 1, index number 2, index number 3, 4. All the elements are same type. The first value 20, second value 10, 20, 30, 40, and 50. All the elements are same type. 10, 20, 30, 40. All the elements are integer. If you are trying to store float value 30.8 is not possible because the array is X is array. This array is only for integer type. For example, For example, we're declaring the variable float of y of 3. Here y is a variable. The y is a variable. The y variable is float type. All the variables are, for example, 10.5, for example, 20.0, for example, 30.8. The y of 0, y of 1, y of 2. All the elements are float type. If you want to trying to store integer value, is not possible. If you want to trying to store the string value, is not possible. If you want to trying to store the complex value, is not possible. If you want to trying to store the boolean value, is not possible, because array is a variable. All the elements are same type. That's very important. For example, this is a array variable. Another example. So this is example 1. Example 1, array is a variable integer type. Example 2, array is a variable integer type. And example 3, so this is a example 3. Okay, y is a array variable. Array variable type is float type. Now what is list? What is list? Because the list means what is list? A very important point. Ordinary variable to store only one value. Array variable to store more than one value of same type. But list. A list is a collection of values. Each value separated by commas. A list is a collection of values. Each value separated by commas and enclosed by square brackets. A list is a collection of values, each value separated by commas and enclosed by square bracket. To store, second point. A list, okay. To store more than one value of either same type or different type. That means a different type. Different type means homogeneous, not homogeneous type. Same type means homogeneous type, and the different type means heterogeneous type. To store more than one value, okay, either same type or different type. Either same type or different type. A list is a collection of values, each value enclosed by commas and separated by square bracket. To store more than one value of same type. The third one. Lists are created by using the list function. Lists are created by using square bracket or by using the list function. Third one. Within the list, insertion order is preserved. Insertion order is preserved. So how to explain how to preserve. Insertion order is preserved. And the next one, insertions are allowed. In the list, insertions are allowed. In the list, deletions are allowed. And seventh one, list is mutable. Mutable means to change its values, to change its content, or its values. And eighth one, list is a dynamic. Because the size can be increased or decreased. Size can be increased or decreased based on the requirement. And ninth one, list supports duplicate values. List supports duplicate elements. And tenth one, list supports heterogeneous element. That is lists are stored different data types. Now what is a list? Collection of values, each value enclosed by separated by commas and enclosed by square bracket. To store the more than one value of same type or different type. Lists are created by using the list inbuilt function. This is a list inbuilt function. Insertion order is preserved because the elements are inserted by proper order. Insertions are allowed within the list. Inserts are allowed using inserting a new element beginning of the list or ending of the list and specified element. Deletions are allowed within the list. If you want to unwanted element, you can delete the element. List is mutable. Within the list, the value can be changed during execution of the program. List is a dynamic. The values can be, the size can be increasing or decreasing based on our requirement. Based on our requirement. Okay, clear. The next one. It supports the duplicate values. It supports the heterogeneous element. That is, the list serves of different values. And the next one. 11th point. List Python list supports indexing and slicing. I will explain what is indexing, what is slicing, no problem. And later, problem. What is indexing? Python list Python supports positive indexing and negative indexing. So what is positive indexing, sir? Indexing starts from positive indexing. Positive index starts from 0 to size -1. Negative indexing starts from -1, -2, -3, and so on, -4. Okay. From left to right, here positive indexing, left to right. And negative indexing starts from right to left, that is 0, -1, -2, -3, and so on. That's very important. And third one, 13th point. Okay, creating a list. Syntax. So syntax. Now list name equal to square bracket. What is a list? A list is a collection of values. Each value separated by comma and enclosed by the square bracket. Now we are creating a list. So list name equal to square bracket and the end square bracket. Collection of values. Now the base is the value and one more value separated by comma and one more value separated by comma and so on and so on. One more value separated by comma. So this is called as a value n. Collection of n values. For example, this is the value 3 and this is value 2 and this is called as a value 1. So collection of values. What is a list? A collection of values. Each value is separated by comma. And enclosed by the square bracket. Now it is called as a list. For example, 1. How to create a empty list. Now the empty lists are created two ways. Number one, by using the square bracket. Now the empty X is a list. Creating empty list, square bracket and square bracket for the print of X. And the print of type of X. That means X is a list because X is an empty list. Print of X. The print of X is a empty list. Type of X is a list type. Type of X is list type. If you want to creating a list, create a empty list using list function is also possible. Using the inbuilt function, for example, X equal to list of empty list. Now the print of X, the print of type of X. We are creating the empty list. Now, example 3, to create a list with elements, any element. Creating a list 1 Rx, creating a list, square bracket, any elements 11, 22, 33, and 44. These are the list elements. Or some names also is possible. String type also possible. Ram, Sita, and Lakshman. Creating a list. Now the list type is print of X, print of type of X. Okay. Creating a list with elements. And third one, creating a list to create a list with with range function, inbuilt function. Inbuilt function x equal to list of range of 1 comma 11 comma 1. So creating a data type of x is what is x and print of type of x to create a list. One more example, the fifth example, to create a list, create a list with the duplicate values is also possible. Duplicate values. For example, x equal to 11, 22, and also possible 11, 33, 11, 22, 44, 55, 66, 55, 55. To create a list with a duplicate value. Here, x is a 11 is a duplicate value. 11 is present in the 3 times. 22 present 2 times. 55 is present in 3 times. With to create a list with the duplicate values. Now here the type of x. Create a list with the duplicate values. And one more example, to create a list with heterogeneous type. That's very important. Heterogeneous elements. It is very important to create a list with heterogeneous elements. For example, x equal to same type 11, 22, 33, 44. We have to create a list with same data type. All elements are integer. Now it's a print of x and the print of type of x. Here all the elements are integer type. That means these are the homogeneous type. It's not heterogeneous type. Heterogeneous type means different data types. Homogeneous type 11, 22, 33, and 44. Here x is a list. This list is homogeneous type. But if you want to store the elements in heterogeneous elements means different data type. Heterogeneous means different data type. One element is integer, one element is float, one element is string, one element is complex, one element is boolean. And now a collection of different data types is called as a heterogeneous. So now, for example, 11 is a rule number. A student name is Ram. Okay, and he secured the marks 88, 77, and 99. Okay, and the per of the marks is 88.00, and the result equal to pass, for example. Okay. Now here x is a not homogeneous type. X is a heterogeneous list. X is a heterogeneous list because it is used to store more than one value of different data type. That is very important. Okay. Now these are different examples. Now one more. And now here to declare what is a list. How to create a list to perform the list operator. What is a list? The difference between what is variable, what is array, and what is a list. A list is a collection of values. Each value separated by comma and enclosed by the square bracket. And second point, to store the more than one value of same type, lists are created by using the list. Insertion order is preserved. And how to create a list using through examples, through programming. Through programming, it is very important. Right. Okay. Go to Python shell prompt. Perform the list operations. Okay, now here, for example, to create a list, collection of values with empty list. For example, first to create an empty list. X equal to square bracket. Now the print of x, that means a empty list. Print of type of x. Type of x is list type. Here the type of x is, what is the data type of the x? X is not an integer type, X is not a float type, X is not a boolean type, X is not a complex type. Here the X is a list type. X is a list type. So creating a list with the set function. X is equal to set for the print of X. Now to create a empty list. With set function. Here to create an empty list with the empty square brackets. To create an empty list with the empty square brackets. Here to create an empty list, not set. Creating empty x equal to list of x. Print of x. Now that is the empty list. Now the perform the x equal to, for example, 11, 22, 33, and 44. Now print of x. The values are x value 11, 22, 33, and 44. These are stored. For example, x equal to set of range of 1 comma 11 comma 1. Print of x. Print of x. X equal to list of range of 1 comma 11 comma 1. Now the print of x. Print of x. Print of type of x. Type of x. X is what data type? X is what data type? Okay. The x is list data type. Clear up to here, all of you? Okay. And the next, go to Python shell prompt. For example, okay, x equal to store the elements 11, 22, 33, 44. This x. Here, how to store the elements in indexing? By using through indexing. Okay, through indexing, for example, the elements are stored like this. This is a x. This is x. X is a list to store the value 11, 22, 33, and 44. Here the 11, 22, 22, and 33, and 44. Perform the list operations by using 0 index number 1, 0, 1, and 2. Here, Python supports the negative indexing also. -1, -2, and -3, and -4. So here very important, by using the print of x. Print of x means it is a list. Data type is a list. You want to access the element through indexing. X of 0. X of 0 means x of 0 value is 11. For example, print of x of -1. X of -1. Not positive indexing. By accessing the element using the negative indexing also, -1 value is 44. -1 value is okay. And this is a -1 value. The -1 value is 44. It can be accessed either positive indexing or negative indexing. Print of x of -3. X of -3 value is 20. Print of x of positive indexing. X of 2. Or the x of 2 value equal to 20. Perform the list operations by using the index numbers. Is also possible. Now the next one, to creating a list with duplicate values also. 11, 22, 11, 55, 77, 11, 22, and 44. Creating a list with duplicate values. Print of x. Creating the list with duplicate values. For the heterogeneous type, x equal to, for example, rule number 1901. Name is Ramkumar. He secured the marks 77, 88, and 99. Percentage of the marks is 88.0, and the result equal to pass. Okay. Now print of x. Print of type of x. Type of x list operations. Okay. Up to this, clear? All of you? Thank you, everyone. Next session, we will continue for the remaining part. Okay. Bye-bye. Thank you.